Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great Chinese investment. It's Friday, April the 17th. I've got two press releases for you. Not surprising, Friday is always a slow news cycle day. Like to focus on quality over quantity as well. So let's get straight to it. First up, China Organic Agriculture trades on the OTC under CNOA. They put out their 2008 numbers. Great numbers here. Revenue, $112.7 million. Net income, $20.5 million. That's up 52% over last year. Earnings per share, 34 cents per share compared to 29 cents per share last year. Why is that really important? The company closed trading yesterday at 39.5 cents. So you essentially have a company here trading at 1 times earnings with great top line growth, great bottom line growth. So definitely worth taking a look at unless there's something we know about the company. Great value there. That's why we love these Chinese up-and-coming small and mid-cap companies. Next up, China America Holdings trades on the OTC under CAAH. This is a holding company operating in China. Financial highlights: revenue, 34.97, let's call it $35 million. That's more than 100% growth over $16.2 million in 2007. Income from operations, $860,000. That's way up from a loss of $406,000 in the last fiscal year. That's income from operations. Net income was actually a loss. Net loss for the full year, $561,000. That compares to a loss of $1.1 million last year. So they got a dramatic improvement on the bottom line, on their income from operations, and on the revenue side. The company had cash and cash equivalents of about $2.2 million, but that seems more than enough for a holding company. One thing about this company, $561,000 loss translated to 0 cents per share. So that does mean we probably have a high share count here. I noticed the company's trading at 1.8 cents. So always go take a look at that. Make sure the share count isn't too great. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies, then you got to get to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Two things there. First, highlights from the best 250 small and mid-cap companies in the space. We got their press releases right there over the last 2 or 3 days, listed by industry, and we've also got a link to the directory of those 250 companies. First thing, great succinct descriptions, so you can quickly scan them. Two, you can filter them by industry and exchange, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.